Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. The queen of COVID-19 is here.
It's just me and my baby. Say hi. Hi, teddy bear. You showing them a teddy bear? Teddy bear. Hi, Fizz. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new, beautiful, hot day here in France. And I am on my way to get my final vaccine shot. And I'm pretty excited, so I'll be fully vaccinated after today. So I'm looking forward to that. The boys are off to their respective places. Tyler's at school. It's the last day of the week for school for Tyler, and then Monday, Tuesday, and then school is finished for the year. No, for this term, for the summer, then summer break. So I am on my way to get my vaccine right now, and baby's going to meet me so he can look after Sarah while I get my shot. So you guys will probably see baby or maybe not. Anyway, I am here waiting on the bus. The bus should come in like 2 minutes. So I'm gonna leave you guys and get to town. So hopefully you guys have a good day. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. Look at this pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. You're so cute. You're so cute. You are so cute. Saying our ABC, of course. Yeah. Yeah. Me. You're too cute. If we follow Sarah, she sing ABC once she see herself on the camera. You guys, I got my vaccine. Got my second shot. Feel nothing like the first one. The first one, right away my hand started to get numb and pain a bit, and this one I'm not feeling anything. But mission accomplished. Thanks to Sarah, we didn't have to wait. We just went through stroller priority. Hi, babe. So baby's here with me, and Sarah is here being Sarah. They just asked us to wait like 15 minutes before we go, just to make sure everything is okay. So we're just here hanging on 15 minutes, and then I'm going to head on the street because I have a little shopping to do. I have a few things to pick up, because vacation planning is in full swing. Now we're going on vacation soon, so I need to get me some braids for my hair, and I need to pick me up some of the things that I want. So yeah, I have to do that because I'm on the road today, so I might as well just do all that. So let's go. Say hi. Say hi. Hello. Yum yum. Yum yum. Yum yum yum. Yum yum yum. You guys, I'm in town and walking past this Arabic store called Produit du Monde. This product of the world. They have everything. They have Indian, African, all different kinds. And I see these mangoes. They look absolutely beautiful. They're expensive, €10 per kg, but about a few. They have plantain over there too. And they have chocho and dasheen or cocoa, whichever that one is. They have a few products. That's cool. So I had to go buy some. And now I am walking through this part of town which I don't normally come to because I need to I pass some Chinese store, and I love shopping at the Chinese clothes store because their outfits are always neat. So I'm going to stop at the Chinese store now and see if I pick me up a few outfits. If I do, then I'll show you guys what I find when I reach home. Okay, you guys, real quick, I stopped to get some food because I'm so hungry, so I stopped to have lunch. Me and Sarah already had lunch, so I'm just having a salad for myself at McDonald's. But I did a little shopping. I'll show you guys how when I get home. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Okay, you guys, on a day like today, this is what in town is looking like. Pretty busy. Everybody's out and stunting, as you guys can see. The tram is passing by. Give you a slow-mo of around my surroundings. A lot of people out in the restaurants too. A lot of restaurants make space for outside dining because too much people can't be inside dining. But they're making it work and a lot of people out. But yeah, I get a few things done in town. I finished having lunch. And now I'm heading to take the tram. I wanted to go Sarah birthday decoration shopping today, but that won't happen. So I'm gonna have to come back and do it another day. So I am going to head home so that I can pick up Tyler in time, because if I don't head home now, then I won't be able to pick up Tyler and there's nobody to pick up Ty. So I'm heading home. I'm gonna have to come back and do balloon shopping maybe tomorrow and try and sort my thoughts out. So let's head home. You guys, I'm just walking past this masterpiece and I have to show you what this guy did. It's a dog with his puppies. He made out of sand. That is so cute. He's talented, and there he is right there. Look how cute that is. Absolutely gorgeous. Talented, that guy, and he looks homeless. My gosh, what talent. That's amazing. I am back home just in time to pick Tyler up. It's 7 minutes before 4 o'clock and I have to pick up Tyler at school at 4:30. So I reach home just in time, you guys. The mangoes smelling up everywhere that I stop. Oh my god, they smell so good. 4 mango and 2 banana chips, and I pay €14 for it. That's how desperate I'm in need of mangoes. And these are the best looking mangoes I've seen all season, and they don't just look good, they smell like heaven on earth. I'm gonna sympathize with Babe and give him one. Babe love mango, Tyler love mango, I love mango. I wouldn't say Sarah love mango, she just put her tongue on it and that's it. So I bought 4, 1 for each. So Tyler will be happy when he gets home and see mango. Babe will be surprised that I find good mango. And I bought 2 plantain chips, €14. Can you believe it? My god. But Shorty need it, so Shorty buy it. Anyway, you guys, we are going on vacation at the end of this month. Tyler doesn't know, so I can't talk all these things in front of Tyler. So now that he's at school, let me show you some of the things that I got. I'm multitasking, you guys, don't mind me. But that's what we do, Shorty. We stay multitasking. Sarah, give it to me, please. Not just I wanted things for vacation, but I needed some summer clothes because you guys don't tell us so much weight. And the other day when I went shopping, I wasn't satisfied with what I get. So I'm just gonna go through real quick and show you guys some of the things that I get. You'll see me in them as I wear them. but I'll show you a few of the things that I got. Drink. I got me this pants and crop top, and it's the cutest. So I'm trying to add a little color in my wardrobe and more classy outfits. So this is one of the outfits that I got, and it's a suit. So it goes with these pants. So that's the pants, and that's the top for it. But you guys will get it when you see me in it. But I totally love it because it's a little classy. And you guys know I couldn't go shopping without getting leggings. So I got this leggings and I got the top to match it. So it goes with this top. The top was €10 and I think the leggings is 12 or 14, one of the two. 10, the same. Alright, so that's the leggings that I got. I got two leggings fit. I got a short leggings and a long leggings. And this is a neon top. The light is not making you see it properly. But he said, no. What do you want? Snack? Here. You need to finish your compote. Ah? Come on. Okay, so that neon top goes with a neon short leggings, like what they call it, knickers leggings. For that you'll see me in that one too. And I got this romper, which I think is super cute. Nice, it got a classy touch to it. This one was €21 for this one. So cute. And babe has been asking to see me in dresses lately. So I pick up this dress. It is so cute for the summer. It have this little cutout at the front, and it's yellow with lots of cool colors on it, and it's, you know, have a nice little slit, and it's very long all the way to my ankles. And I got this one that the material is similar to that one. However, this is not, it look like a dress, but it's actually a shorts underneath. So it's a romper, but it have this long thing around it that makes it looks like a dress, which I really love too. So those are all the things that I picked up. Now I am going to still get some more things probably tomorrow. Like I said, not just for vacation, but for my entire wardrobe that I'm changing out. And I also need to go balloon shopping and decoration shopping for Sarah's birthday, which I didn't get to do today because I didn't want to be late to pick up Tyler. So yeah, that's all the things that I pick up with this pretty girl right here. Stand, look here. Look there. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. You ready to go for Tyler? Going for Tyler? Going to school for Tyler? Tyler bring his gifts for his teachers this morning for telling them thanks for the school year. I don't know if you guys do this, but I know we do it in Jamaica, because I can remember clearly when I was going to school in Jamaica, especially primary school. I don't remember doing it in high school, but primary school, my mom used to ensure that every time I am leaving a class going to another class, that teacher would have a gift at the end of the school year, at the end of the school term. So it's a big thing here in France, where you always see the parents with flowers or gifts or chocolate or something for the teacher. So Tyler carried his this morning. Anyway, let's go pick up Tyler right now, and I'm tired. I'm gonna get you. Come here. Give it to mama. You're hiding. Come here. Come here. No. Home. She wants to go to the pool. No. Not now. We're going home. Mama had a long day. We're just picking up Taylor from school. You almost reach home. You go and put it in the bin inside. Go home. Go home. Go home. You see, she's sexy. That's how she climb up this step. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Go inside. Go inside. Come here. She love playing. Sarah, what did you do? What did you do? Why did you do that? Look at her sad face. Why did you do that? You guys, look what Sarah did. That's her favorite thing to do, right? Why did you do that? Please, Mama. Thank you. Why did you write on the chair? Did Mama tell you don't write on the chair? Come here. Did Mama tell you don't write on the chair? Why did you write on the chair? Look how you write up your hand. Look at her hand. Why did you write on the chair? Why did you write on the chair? Did Mama tell you no? No writing on the wall, on the chair, on the door. Sarah, no. No. Mama says.
Hello. I need to go to France.
You need to go to where?
To France.
You're too funny.
I need to go to France because when now we see the view and it's hot and it's summer. So I'm in Jamaica right now.
Oh, you are?
I'm in Jamaica right now. So I need to go to France and go to the Statue of Liberty. And then I need to go back to Jamaica and go to Kingston. And after I need to go to New York and see the Eiffel Tower. And then I can go back to France to see the Statue of Liberty.
Mosquito going bite you on your lip. Why are you laughing like that? You hear I said to stop laughing like that?
Okay, please you understand. So in the comment section below, you need to tell me where I get to go next.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. The queen of COVID-19 is here. What's wrong with you?
How am I the queen of
You are the
COVID-19?
queen of COVID-19. You're the queen of everything, so you have to be the queen of COVID-19.
Is somebody to be the queen of COVID-19? Who would that be?
You. Dun, 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 dun.
Who would that be?
Dun, 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 dun.
Is who caught COVID? Me or you?
You give it to me. That's what people don't know. I know.
He's convinced that I had it and I was asymptomatic and give it to him. That's what he think, you know. But how can that be possible when I never leave this house go anywhere?
Yeah, she make me doing everything. I am the one who took this.
Hey, are you forgetting?
How was your day? Good shopping?
My day was busy. but
shopping,
productive. Productive shopping.
Productive. That sounds like your favorite president. Productive. Business smile.
My favorite US president is Barack Obama. Don't ask me why.
Because that's the only president you know?
Because he's Barack Obama. He's just special.
Who else you know?
I love his personality.
Tell me 5 presidents.
Barack Obama.
Yes, 1.
Donald Trump.
2.
Roosevelt.
What is his first name?
Lincoln.
What is
Lincoln
his first name?
Roosevelt?
No, Lincoln is Abraham Lincoln.
Abraham Lincoln. What
You have 2
Roosevelt?
Roosevelt, that's why I say that. You have 2
Roosevelt. Why Roosevelt me?
Roosevelt. I think Roosevelt was doing the World War II. The American president.
I give you.
Franklin.
I give you 5 already.
Roosevelt.
Obama.
Trump.
Biden.
Yeah, good.
And Abraham Lincoln.
Abraham Lincoln. Wow, that's 5. You can go to 10.
And we can give you 1 more.
Who?
Bill Clinton.
Wow, 6. You can go to 10.
And Bill Clinton daddy.
Bill
Bill Clinton daddy was 1.
No.
He was 1.
No. George Bush.
George
Bush and George Bush daddy.
Bush and
So you have
Bush
2
daddy.
George Bush. What was the first president of USA? He gives his name to the country, to the capital.
Washington.
Who else?
Who else? We
Who
can't
else?
go past the citizen test, man.
Yeah, you just have 1 and you reach 10. You can get the citizenship at 10.
Give me a hint.
I don't know. Jefferson.
Jefferson.
Uh,
The one that didn't marry. Do I have name? Is Jefferson?
That didn't marry.
That didn't have a wife. I read about him.
I don't know that story. Chester Arthur.
I've never heard that one. Or is it that he didn't have a wife, or he was the only one to get divorced while being a president?
I don't know that story. One that was very famous that got killed while he was president.
Oh, the one that his wife, Kaki.
Kaki.
Yes, and the queen never liked her.
And the daughter was married
let me
with
tell you what
Charles
name.
Niger. Charles Niger.
Let me tell you his name. Oh my gosh, he's so famous. How can I not remember his name? And I'm a cha-cha boy. I'm hot. You love pretty girl. Her name?
I don't know.
Oh la la. Remind me.
I don't know.
You know everything.
Guys, if you know,
They all know. Tell me now, give me a hint.
no, it just don't come to my head.
You remember it?
Actually, don't remember.
Oh my god. Assassination of president. Oh, la, 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 la.
Start with a K. John Fitzgerald Kennedy.
Kennedy! President Kennedy.
President Kennedy. Yeah, that was the test. Alright guys, anyway guys, well I hope you all have a good day.
You guys know.
My day was good. This morning I wake up, it was one of these days that I just have one idea, is to go back to bed. Very hard to wake up this morning. Yeah, so I'm gonna.
So you went back to bed?
No, I just take my courage and went to work. So hopefully tomorrow I can get some sleep. Like if I can wake up at around 9-10 a.m. that would be awesome. So we can have a full productive day after I slept. So if she can wake up, take the kids, keep the kids, and take out the kids and do everything with the kids.
every day. When am I going to get my rest?
So
I have plans to go on the road early in the morning, leave him at home.
Let's leave the kids in their bed So we just ignore them when they call us, and we just sleep.
Good parenting. Anyway, you guys, my hand is starting to feel the vaccine effect. I didn't know that I would feel something. The fact that I haven't felt anything since I got the shot until late evening, and now it's almost midnight. No, it's almost 11, and I'm feeling my arm.
I'm sorry.
No, you're not.
I'll just say it for the camera. I'm sorry.
We all know that, don't we?
Yeah, I am very sorry.
You're very predictable. We know that.
I'm sorry. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the vlog. Give this video a
thumbs up,
comment down
below,
and turn on that notification bell. And you catch up and you keep up.
And we'll see you guys tomorrow because you want sleep. You dead right now. You got me gonna kill him dead. If me don't kill him something wrong tonight, you know watch out for tomorrow vlog. She say nah go in a hit cause me gonna kill him.